Well, fresh visuals have emerged from Janpath Metro Station's gate number 2 near Tolstoy Marg, where protesters took to the road, disrupting traffic movement in central Delhi. My colleague Atul Ranjan has filed a report from the ground. Have a look.
We are near here the roundabout of the CP's outer circle, and this is near Tolstoy Marg, where you can see the protesters have taken over the Tolstoy Marg road here. In fact, we are near the Jawahar Vyapar Bhavan, where protesters have taken over the road, and as you can see, the traffic has been severely disrupted here. My camera person Deepak would show you. In fact, a while ago we saw protesters also attacking a vehicle that passed through this road. So clearly, as of now, you can see hundreds of protesters here at the right outside the Janpath metro station, as well as near the outside the Jawahar Vyapar Bhavan, where protesters you can see they have totally taken over the traffic movement. In fact, some of them are also controlling the traffic movement as well, guiding vehicles to pass through, as well as for a moment, but a while ago we saw traffic was quite heavily disrupted. Some of the protesters also sat down on the road and in fact tried to stop the traffic through their by lying down on the road as well. Now what we see here is that, as you can see here, the Delhi police has started requesting the protesters to go back to the protest site. The anti-riot vehicle has also been deployed here by Delhi police. As you can see, this road here, if my camera person could show you, leads towards the Jantar Mantar protest site. But as you can see, since the crowd is swelling rapidly, we see that the protesters are also coming out of the designated protest site. You can see here right outside the Janpath metro station gate number 2, a huge crowd has assembled here, and as I speak, protesters are throwing water bottles in the air, and across the traffic, as you can see, has been severely disrupted, even as Delhi police continues to request them to move away from the road and clear the road, is what we are seeing right now. This is right outside the Janpath metro station gate number 2. With camera person Deepak Saha, Atul Ranjan for NewsX, Delhi.